and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are unboxing some Shein beauty products, some that I actually picked out that I thought would be like good little basket fillers or stocking stuffers for the holiday season. You guys know Shein is always crazy affordable, and everything that I show you in today's video I will have linked and listed down below for you guys, and I will have a search code that I will pop up for you guys for everything that I'm showing you guys in today's video. If you download the Shein app and go into the search bar section, then you plug in code 7BZRV, then everything that I show you in today's video will be there, and Shein is always having huge sales going on over there. Okay, so the first item that I picked up, if you guys don't know, I do my own nails at home. So it's this little magnetic stand, and then it comes with a little like hand light. It is a rechargeable little light, and it also will cure your nails. When you are like doing little stamps or what have you on the nails, then it's supposed to help cure them, from my understanding. But anyways, then you've got like the little stand and everything that it can hook to, and this is actually adjustable, so you can like move this around and then place that on there, so however you need it. So I thought that was kind of nifty, and it'll hold everything in place. Okay, next in here is like a little facial massager, and I thought it would be, again, a good filler or stocking stuffer. It does take batteries, and then you just push the button, and honestly it's like a nice thing that whether you do like a little giveaway, girlfriend giveaway, or a basket, or like I said, stocking stuffers or whatever, I think this would be a really nice type of device to receive. You know, just nice and relaxing. It's going to help drain the lymph nodes and all of that, and it's really nice and affordable. I feel like this section of Shein is like all the things like that you don't think to buy, and then like Shein just kind of tells you what to pick up. All right, next we have, ooh, it's a mirror set. Okay, you guys know I have complained forever and a day like needing a good travel mirror or whatever when we went down to the camper. This is a light up mirror, and I guess it's rechargeable. Okay, it goes in the stand, switch in the back. Oh, you can charge it, or you can put 4 AAA batteries in there. Oh, that's nice. This is like nice and heavy duty. It also comes with like this one too, where you could stick it if you, this is like a magnifying one. This is one that I'm not like, those hurt my eyeballs, but it's a nice foldable type of mirror. And then of course you've got your little charger. Yeah, I've got to charge it, or put the batteries in one of the two. And then this part down here, you can like put your rings or earrings and stuff. Okay, so far this is a really good get. All right, next in here, I just thought okay, if you didn't know, Haley is a lash tech and cosmetologist, and so I thought this would be something fun that she could offer her clients. I don't even know if this is the correct size or anything like that. Look how fun. They're eyelashes, different color eyelashes, and I've seen it like on TikTok where people get their eyelashes done, but then they have like a couple of like pops of color on the outside. So I thought this would be something cute she could offer. They're really adorable. Like I said, I don't even know if this is like the right stuff she could use, but even if you do like your own little lashes or make your own little fans at home and do at-home ones, you definitely could have a fun little pop of color. And how cute would that be for like a stocking stuffer? They had a lot of press-on nails too. I have freakishly tiny nail beds, so that was the only reason I didn't pick any up. So does my 18-year-old, and then Haley just doesn't wear press-ons. But if you are looking for some good press-ons, definitely look into Shein. They're really crazy affordable, and they would make amazing stocking stuffers or basket fillers. All right, next in here, I got a UV lamp for my gels. So I already currently have one, but mine is crazy old. So I thought, well, I could try this. Got the little adapter and everything, and then it's a 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, and 99 seconds. Really nice and lightweight. So I'll have to try that because we're getting ready to go out of town for the Creators and Friends in Vegas. I'm so excited. I just found out today that Amira, who I actually met in New Orleans when I was at the New Orleans Creators and Friends trip, I saw that she was packing up and everything. I was like, girl, you're gonna be there? And she's like, yeah. I was like, oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna get to see her for the first time in forever. She is such a sweetheart. I will link her channel down below. I'm sure you guys already know who she is. Very beautiful, creative woman. So I'm excited to get to see her on the trip. Okay, let's move into the next one. And we're actually, we've got so much fun things planned. Like, we're flying in the day of the Creators and Friends like holiday party. And then we've got some other stuff we're doing the very next day for the next few days, so stay tuned because I am going to try really hard to vlog. I'm sure you guys know her, Linda from Glitter Fallout, her channel. She had this really cool like handheld camera thingy when we were in Palm Springs, and I reached out and I was like, hey girlie, can I get a link to that, because her camera quality is so flippin' good. And she's like, yeah. And so I got it, and I am praying that it gets here before we head out. So I'm hoping to vlog all of that, have content over here, of course, for the Creators and Friends holiday party, but hoping to get some content for Hotmess in the house. So anyways, I digress. So just lots of things going on. Okay, this is a gift that I think everybody needs. My kids, okay, especially my 18-year-old, has just started doing like lash curling. Now listen. Yes, I have taught my child not to put mascara on and then curl your lashes. You always curl your lashes without any type of like product on. So they had the kind that had the little combs on here, which I felt like I needed to try because I've been using the whole Babe Lash serum on my lashes, and they're getting like pretty wild. They're tame right at the moment, but I thought maybe this would help. They also have the regular kind that doesn't have the combs on here, which I think you might be able to just take this. Yeah, I think you might be able to pop it right off, but it's because it's padded down here too. But I thought maybe this would be a good thing to try to separate my lashes, and if my kid likes it too, then maybe I'll get my kiddos one. There was a bunch of different colors and they're really affordable. Like, all of this stuff is really affordable, like I said, and I know I keep repeating, but this is such the perfect little finds for the holidays. Okay, this one is because my 18-year-old and their friends all get together sometime and make like press-on nails, and they had these whole little holiday gemstones, but it's all these different gemstones that you can put on your nails and decorate the nails, like wreaths. You've got reindeer, snowman mittens, these are so freaking adorable. Don't judge my fingernails because I'm about to do them as soon as I finish filming this video. And just use a gel glue, and you can glue these right to the nails, but it comes in a nice little handy case, so even after you use all these things up, you could easily restock, because Shein does sell like little nail decor beads and little gemstones and everything, where you can refill all of these little containers. So don't throw them away. This is really nice. Okay, and then the last item that I picked out is a nail dust collector. I am bad. Like, I do my nails all the time, but the dust goes everywhere. I do wear a mask, and I don't let anyone around when I'm doing my nails, like the filing and everything, because I use a drill. But check it out. Now, here's your little adapter and everything. Now you can have fans sucking in all of that stuff, so you don't have to worry about it while you're filing and everything. You can have your nail up here and everything while you're filing and not have to worry about it. So it's got a little plug-in, a little switch, and everything. Really affordable stuff. I'm gonna have or pop up somewhere my little search code for you guys, and you can download the Shein app or just go to Shein's website and like plug in the little coupon code, and you'll be able to pull up everything that I'm showing you guys in today's video. They're having ginormous sales, so definitely make sure to check them out. There's a ton of other stuff. I just picked a few little things here and there that I thought would make really good gifts. Let me know what you're going to be picking up or what you're looking for. You can't tell me. The beauty lover would not enjoy these things. Anyways, thank you to Shein for letting me pick these items out for today's video and working with you, girl. I definitely appreciate it. Definitely make sure to check them out. Download the app, go straight to Shein's website. Everything will be linked and listed down below for you guys. And I want to give a ginormous thank you to you guys, because you guys have made Butterfly Kisses, my lip gloss, so successful that Ulta Beauty has picked that up, and they're selling it online at ultabeauty.com. I know. Last year, this time, the Unconditional palette made it into the Ulta Beauty online store, and now Butterfly Kisses like, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I just found out. And the only reason I found out is I was linking my lip gloss in one of my videos that will be going up, I think, after this video. And you guys were like, hey, like, what lip gloss are you wearing? It's always on, you know, your lips are always shiny, da 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 da. And actually, I think it was in Wednesday's video, now that I'm thinking about it. And I was like, oh, let's just see if Hotmess, Momma, or Gemini is linked. And that wasn't at Ulta Beauty. It'll pop up for the YouTube. But then, if you hear my kid, they're gaming. Butterfly Kisses did. And I was screaming in my office chair. I was so freaking excited. So, wouldn't be possible without you guys. You guys got the Unconditional palette online store. You got the lip gloss in the online store. And I'm like, could you imagine if Sweet and Sassy and my Liquid Lippies got in there? I'm tangenting, but I'm in disbelief. I literally found out not even an hour ago. Anyways, thank you guys so much for everything. I will link it to, everything down in the description box. I'll put it in the pinned comment section for you guys as well. Here's to an exciting holiday party with Samantha March and Simbri and a bunch of other creators, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully that little vlog. Linda said that the camera is like really easy to figure out and to work, so fingers crossed on that, because your girl is a little struggle busted when it comes to technology. I'm hopping out for now. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah, mwah. It's about to snow.